Hi, and welcome to another fundamental lesson. In this lesson, we'll be teaching you how finger mutes are played. Finger mutes are a technique in which a note or a chord becomes dead. It's done simply by releasing the pressure on the fret or the chord. So let's take the G chord and strum it. Here's my G chord. Letting it ring out. So now, if you keep your fingers on the strings, but let go of the pressure, just so the strings get lifted from the frets, but your fingers are still touching them, and you strum again, you'll notice that all the strings are muted, except the two open strings, because those are left open, we don't have fingers on them. So this is kind of how you perform a finger mute. If you wanted to mute the whole chord, what I would do is I would lift, and then I would just kind of drag my finger over all the strings like that. That is how you stop a whole chord with one finger in a finger mute. So just practice this over and over until you get it down. Strum it off and on. And these are very handy, and we'll use them in a lot of songs, and they're actually a lot of fun too. This has been another fundamental lesson on GuitarGuy.tv. Thanks for tuning in.